Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of AG Dillon & Co. I got a pre-IPO company update for you for the week ending October 13, 2023. Let's get into it. Anduril Industries, a defense technology startup, is raising $400 million to $500 million in funding through a convertible note, targeting a valuation of $10 billion. The funds are expected to support strategic acquisitions such as the recent purchase of Blue Force Technologies and bolster research and development. Founded in 2017 by Oculus VR creator Palmer Luckey, Anduril specializes in computer vision, AI, and sensor networks for national security, securing significant contracts like $1 billion deal with the U.S. Special Operations Command. The company has raised $2.3 billion in funding and has locked in the last round valuation of $8.5 billion as of December 2022. I have their current secondary market valuation at $9.8 billion. And the current round is a $17.6 billion increase from the December 2022 round. So that secondary market was pretty much spot on to where this next primary round is going to come through. OpenAI is set to release significant updates for developers aiming to make AI-based software applications more affordable and efficient. These updates will introduce memory storage to its developer tools, potentially reducing costs for app developers by up to 20 times. That's a big cost savings. The new tools will also be launched, including vision capabilities for image analysis applications. These enhancements reflect OpenAI's goal to transition from a consumer-focused entity to a dominant developer platform. OpenAI will unveil these features at its inaugural developer conference in San Francisco on November 6th. That's coming up here in a couple weeks' time. The company aims to promote the development of AI-driven chatbots and autonomous agents. The forthcoming updates are a part of a broader strategy to appeal to developers and, I believe, position OpenAI to be the Apple App Store, quote unquote, in the AI space. Altman, the CEO, also announced that the company is now generating revenues at $1.3 billion annualized run rate. That's a significant increase from the $1 billion ARR this past summer, and a stark contrast to last year's revenue of only $28 million. This growth is primarily attributed to subscriptions to ChatGPT, which was launched as a paid version in February. My math has that's 5.4 million subscribers paying $20 a month, or an average of 635,000 new subscribers per month. OpenAI is expected to announce product enhancements next month to improve the efficiency of its LLMs and reduce AI usage costs. OpenAI is currently in the market raising at a $90 billion valuation. That's up from $29 billion just a couple months ago. Atlassian is acquiring video messaging service Loom for $975 million, a notable decrease from Loom's $1.53 billion valuation in May of 2021. Loom has 25 million customers and over 5 million monthly video conversations. Atlassian views the company as a valuable addition to enhance collaboration on its platform, including particularly for Jira and Confluence. Atlassian's co-founder and co-CEO Mike Cannon-Brookes emphasized the significance of asynchronous video in team collaboration. The integration of AI will further enhance features like video transcripts and summaries. Loom's CEO Joe Thomas expressed optimism about the acquisition, emphasizing the potential for accelerated growth. Since its inception in 2015, Loom has raised over $200 million and boasts clientele that includes major corporations like Ford, Tesla, and Amazon. Logistics startup Flexport CEO Ryan Peterson is set to lay off approximately 20% of its workforce, or 660 of the 3,300 employees. This decision follows the sudden removal of former CEO Dave Clark 5 weeks ago, after a significant downturn in freight market led to a 70% drop in Flexport's revenue in the first half of 2023. Affected U.S. employees will be provided with 9 weeks of severance pay and healthcare coverage until the end of the year. Okay, big capital raises for the week ending October 6, 2023. 2 new unicorns this week. Electric Hydrogen, a hydrogen manufacturing company, raised a $300 million Series C at a $1 billion valuation. It's a 138% increase from its $420 million valuation Series B in May of 2022, 18 months ago. And Headway, a digital mental health provider marketplace, raised a $125 million Series C at a $1 billion valuation. That's a 30% increase from its $770 million valuation Series B in March of 21, 32 months ago. Stark Capital led, Healthcare Service Corps, Accel, Thrive Capital, and Andreessen Horowitz participated. Those are good investors. Last up, we got pre-IPO stock performance as of October 2, 2023. I believe that's October 9, 2023. The week's winners were Anthropic, up 100%. That's not a mistake. They announced that they were going out there and trying to raise it 20 to 30 billion. It's a big jump from their last round. So 100% increase. I think we'll see more pull through for those guys in the coming weeks ahead. Rippling is up 26.2%. Hugging Face, 22.9%. Best name in the business. OpenAI, 14.7%. And Brex up 8.3%. The big losers for the weeks were Epic Games down 5.5%. Airtable down 4.5%. ByteDance down 3.7%. Cohere down 3%. And Deal down 2.2%. Big valuation. ByteDance is at 203 billion. SpaceX at 157. OpenAI is 77. That's going to go to 90 soon once they close this tenor. Stripe's at 53. Databricks is at 45 billion. If you need to see more current valuation performance, please check out agdillon.com. It's right up there at the top. Okay, that's it for me this week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Thanks, and see you guys next week.